In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dipstick in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. The dipstick on this vehicle is located in the front of the engine bay. If you have one, or if there's anything left of that, you want to remove it. If it is broken, you want to use some pliers to help pull the rest of it out. Take the new dipstick, line it up, and push it in. You can check your oil level, pull the dipstick out, wipe it off with a rag, put the dipstick back in, let it sit for about 10 seconds, pull it out, and double check your level. It should be in between those hash marks, closer to the top part of the hash marks than the lower. And then you can adjust your level accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.